In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use generative AI. GrammarlyGO will start from a blank slate and end with a polished piece of writing, all by letting AI do the heavy lifting while you stay in control. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Grammarly. This is the quickest way to land on the official site. In the results, click the Grammarly website. That takes you to the homepage where you can work inside the editor. Once you're in, look for the option to create a new document and open it. This gives you a clean page where the AI tools can analyze your writing in real time. Now, type directly into the page or paste the text you want to improve. The moment your words are on the screen, Grammarly's generative AI begins reading for grammar, clarity, and tone. You'll notice issues underlined inside the text and a panel on the right that lists suggestions. Think of the underlines as highlights of what needs attention, and the right side as your detailed to-do list generated by AI. Click into any underline or select a suggestion from the right panel. You'll see a clear explanation of what's changing and why. From here, you get to decide: accept to apply the fix, or dismiss if it doesn't fit your voice. This is where GrammarlyGO shines. It's not just checking rules, it's using context to propose better wording and more natural flow. Work through the list at your own pace, opening each suggestion and choosing accept or dismiss. As you accept changes, your document updates instantly, and the remaining suggestions adjust as the AI reevaluates the text. Keep going until you've addressed each item you care about. It's normal to skip a few if they don't match your intent. The goal is to sound like you, only clearer. A quick tip: read the updated sentence aloud after each fix to make sure it still sounds like you. If you're polishing an email, a report, or a blog post, this pass ensures the AI's improvements match your audience and purpose. When you're satisfied, click I'll accept on any final grammar fixes to lock them in. Your writing should now read smoother, more professional, and more consistent. That's the entire workflow. Search for Grammarly, open a new document, add your text, review the underlines and the right side suggestions, and choose accept or dismiss for each. And that's how to use generative AI with GrammarlyGO to elevate your writing quickly and confidently.